Hello everyone, my name is Adi Frisadi Abdu from Department of Mathematics, Class B. I want to show you about video A Day in My Life. No need linger for long, let's go ahead to the video. This is my Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science. This is me on my department banner of Mathematics. This is me in the math building where I study calculus and algebra. This is my lecturer of course content linear algebra. When I am resting or waiting for class, I often take the time to review the course lessons. I do this thing every day and sometimes I get tired of this thing. But now I get used to it. And that's my video about a day in my life in lecture. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.